What's up, team? It's Raphael here, and today was crazy, guys. It's Friday. It's 9 o'clock in the evening, and we have we have made like 230 grand today. Phew, man, let me tell you, this gold was a fucking roller coaster ride, and I took a big loss on that one. But Dow Jones and Dax was really moving great. So yeah, overall we made small losses, small wins, and three bigger wins. And yeah, we made good money today, guys. Fuck. My smartphone is going crazy. All my students sending me messages. Fuck. I think we all had a good day. And I wish you guys a great weekend.